As we dive deeper into 2024, our digital lives are becoming more interwoven with our real lives. That means cybersecurity and data privacy aren't just buzzwords, they're essentials to keep our digital selves safe and secure. So let's break down the latest trends, threats, and tips on how to stay safe online this year. First up, let's talk about phishing scams. These aren't new, but they're getting smarter. In 2024, phishing emails now often bypass spam filters with AI-generated content that looks incredibly realistic. Always double-check the sender's email address and hover over any links to see where they actually lead before clicking. Next, we've got ransomware. It's more aggressive than ever. Major cities and corporations have been hit, but you can be targeted too. The best defense? Regularly update your software and back up your data. Always have an external drive or use cloud backup solutions. That way, if you're attacked, you're ready to restore your data without paying a ransom. Now, onto something we all cherish, our privacy. With regulations like GDPR in Europe and CCPA in California setting the stage, data privacy laws are tightening globally. But laws aren't enough. You need to take proactive steps. Start using a VPN to mask your IP address, enhance your online anonymity, and encrypt your internet connection. It's a simple tool, but it makes a big difference. Let's not forget about passwords. The more complex, the better. But who can remember a dozen complex passwords, right? That's where password managers come in handy. They not only store your passwords securely, but also help generate strong passwords that are tough to crack. Lastly, keep an eye on what permissions mobile apps are asking for. Does a calculator really need access to your microphone and contacts? Probably not. Customize app permissions to minimize data access to what's truly necessary for the app to function. Staying safe online in 2024 is all about being aware and taking the right precautions. With cyber threats evolving, our strategies to counter them need to be dynamic as well. Keep learning, stay updated, and protect your digital life as fiercely as you protect your physical one. That's it for today. Stay safe online, and I'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more updates. See you soon.